In this video, I will show you how to set up Outlook in mobile. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, on your mobile, you have to install the Outlook app. To get official Outlook app, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Microsoft Outlook. And all you have to need install the Microsoft Outlook on your mobile. Once successfully installed, now just go ahead and launch the Outlook app on your mobile. And now you can create a brand new Outlook account tapping here. But I've already have an account, so here's some tapping on add account. And now in this enter your email box, you have to write your Outlook account email address. So here's I'm typing my Outlook email address and tapping on continue. And now write here your Outlook account password. And then just tap on sign in. And tapping on maybe letter and tapping on next, tapping on accept and continue to Outlook. And you can enable notifications for your Outlook app, and that's it. You've successfully signed into your Outlook account on your mobile. Now you can easily use your Outlook on your mobile. So here's I can easily open an email, and to compose a new Outlook mail, just tap here, and that's it. This is how we can configure Outlook mail on our mobile phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.